So I'm gonna cook these blue fish. They're blue and orange. Should be interesting. Cooking some weird blue fish. I don't know. Should be interesting. Let's add some spice. Add some salt. And some pepper. So there it is, cooked. It's not really blue anymore, so we'll see how it tastes. So that's all the meat that came off the fish. It's white meat. So I had to cook an egg because obviously this amount of fish is not enough for my big fat butt. So, well, it's true. Give me a break. So I cooked eggs, rice, and these blue fish. So, taste it here. Kind of a delicate meat. Reminds me of, wait, let me taste it again. I don't know what it reminds me of, but it's really, really sweet. It's not even fishy taste or anything. I like it. I like it a lot.